Every driver knows the frustration of dealing with car troubles or messy garages without the right gear. That's why today we're diving into some of the 50 cool automotive tools that make repairs, maintenance, and organization a whole lot easier. These aren't just handy gadgets, they're problem solvers that save you time, money, and stress. From clever storage hacks to must-have repair helpers, we've rounded up the best Amazon automotive tools worth adding to your setup. Stick with us till the end, because you'll discover smart automotive tools on Amazon that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Number 1. WARWOLF 160 PSI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable tire inflator delivers up to 160 PSI, giving you quick and reliable air for your car, bike, or even sports gear. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk. It's a must-have for emergencies. You'll wish you had this sooner the next time you're stranded with a low tire. With a digital display, multiple nozzles, and fast inflation, it's a total game changer for roadside safety and convenience. Number 2. LANDERPOW 3000 Watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter 12V DC to 120V AC. This inverter turns your car's 12-volt DC power into household AC power, giving you reliable electricity on the go. Perfect for road trips, camping, or working out of your vehicle. It's a total game changer for powering laptops, tools, or appliances while away from home. You'll wish you had it on your last trip. Quiet, efficient, and durable, this inverter makes your car a mobile power station. Number 3. Msuhettu Exhaust Hanger Removal Tool. This tool is designed to easily remove stubborn exhaust hangers without damaging parts. Just slip it in and pop the rubber hanger free. It's a must-have for DIY mechanics who dread the hassle of exhaust work. You'll love how it makes the job faster and cleaner. Built with a strong grip and ergonomic handle, it saves time and frustration every single use. Number 4. ANCEL 8310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner plugs into your car and quickly reads trouble codes, helping you identify issues before heading to the shop. It's a total game changer for saving money on diagnostics. You'll wish you had it sooner the last time your check engine light came on. Compact and easy to use, it gives you peace of mind and keeps you in control of your car's health. Number 5. GEVEELIFE Buffer Polisher. This buffer polisher helps you restore shine to your car's paint, headlights, and chrome with professional results. It's a must-have for keeping your ride looking showroom fresh. You'll love the satisfaction of seeing scratches fade and gloss return. Lightweight, easy to handle, and effective, it's perfect for both beginners and car care enthusiasts. Number 6. Solary Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector. This smoke machine helps you pinpoint vacuum or exhaust leaks by producing smoke that highlights problem areas. It's a total game changer for diagnosing tough-to-find issues. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Durable, portable, and incredibly effective, it saves time, money, and endless frustration in the garage. Number 7. Gurduenon Car Jack Kit Scissor Jack. This scissor jack kit is built to lift your car safely and efficiently for tire changes or undercarriage work. It's a must-have for emergencies. You'll wish you had it sooner the next time you face a flat on the roadside. Compact, strong, and easy to use, this jack is essential gear for every trunk. Number 8. Amooca S-Type Car Seat Headrest Hook. These hooks attach to your car's headrest and hold bags, groceries, or purses securely. It's a total game changer for keeping your car organized. You'll love never having to deal with spilled bags again. Durable and discreet, these hooks are small but mighty in everyday convenience. Number 9. SoSickWithIt Car Windshield Cleaning Tool. This windshield cleaner comes with a pivoting head and microfiber pads to easily reach corners and edges. It's a must-have for crystal clear visibility. You'll wish you had it sooner the last time glare blinded your drive. Compact, washable, and easy to store, it makes cleaning fast and frustration-free. Number 10. Yonhan Battery Charger 20A 12 EVE 24V Life PO4 Lead-Acid Fully Automatic Battery Maintainer. This battery charger works with 12-volt and 24-volt systems, keeping your car, truck, or motorcycle battery fully charged and maintained. It's a must-have for preventing dead batteries. You'll wish you had it the last time your car wouldn't start. Smart, automatic, and safe, it's one of those tools that pays for itself in convenience and reliability. Number 11. Generic Multifunctional Automotive Pliers Tool. This multifunctional pliers tool is designed for gripping, twisting, and cutting, making it a versatile companion in any garage. It works on clips, hoses, and electrical work with ease. It's a must-have for DIY mechanics who want one tool that can handle multiple jobs. You'll wish you had it sooner when you realize how often you reach for it. Durable, compact, and reliable, it simplifies countless tasks and saves you time. Number 12. Anker Solix Everfrost 22, 40L. Cooler with one removable battery. This high-tech cooler keeps drinks and food cold without ice, powered by a removable battery that lasts for hours. It's a total game changer for road trips, camping, or tailgating. You'll never want to deal with melted ice again. With smart temperature controls and a rugged build, it's the ultimate portable fridge for your adventures. Number 13. Camco RhinoFlex 15-foot RV Sewer Hose Kit. The RhinoFlex RV Sewer Hose Kit is built tough to handle waste disposal cleanly and reliably for RV owners. It's a must-have for stress-free camping. You'll appreciate how sturdy and flexible it is compared to cheaper hoses. Complete with connectors and secure fittings, this kit makes RV maintenance simple and worry-free. Number 14. Giargo RV Surge Protectors 30 amp. This surge protector keeps your RV safe from unexpected power surges when plugged into campground electricity. It's a must-have for protecting your appliances and electronics. You'll wish you had it sooner if you've ever worried about power spikes. Compact and easy to use, it delivers peace of mind every time you connect to shore power. Number 15. Vever Shop Vac Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Vever Shop Vac handles dirt, dust, and even liquids with strong suction. It's built tough for garage and car cleaning. It's a must-have for keeping vehicles spotless inside and out. You'll love how it handles everything from crumbs to oil spills. Durable and easy to empty, this vac makes cleanup quick and efficient. Number 16. Vever Mechanic Stool. This rolling mechanic stool keeps you comfortable while working on cars, complete with storage trays for your tools. It's a must-have for anyone who spends long hours in the garage. You'll wonder how you worked without it once you try it. Sturdy, adjustable, and smooth rolling, it saves your back and keeps everything within reach. Number 17. Orion MotorTech 26PC Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. This disconnect tool set helps you quickly remove and service fuel lines, AC lines, and transmission lines. It's a must-have for professional mechanics and DIYers who value efficiency. You'll wish you had this kit sooner for complex repairs. With 26 pieces, it covers multiple vehicle types, making it versatile and dependable. Number 18. Eatonwolf T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Eatonwolf digital gauge delivers precise tire pressure readings with a clear display, helping you maintain perfect tire health. It's a must-have for safety and performance. You'll love how easy it is to check your tires before every trip. Compact, accurate, and durable, it's a reliable tool every driver should carry. Number 19. LLNEDL 3/8 inch drive long Allen hex bit socket set. This socket set includes long hex bits designed for hard-to-reach bolts and automotive repairs. It's a must-have for tackling tight spaces where regular tools just don't fit. You'll appreciate the extra reach it provides. Made from hardened steel, these sockets are built to last and deliver pro-level results. Number 20. Suzumi 3-piece torque wrench set. This 3-piece torque wrench set gives you precise control over tightening bolts, ensuring accuracy and safety in every repair. It's a must-have for anyone serious about automotive work. You'll wish you had it sooner the moment you stop over-tightening or stripping bolts. Durable and reliable, this set is essential for both beginners and seasoned mechanics. Number 21. GrenPro Ratcheting Wrench Set. This ratcheting wrench set gives you smooth, fast turning without lifting off the bolt, saving time and effort in tight spots. It's a must-have for anyone tired of slow, awkward wrenching. You'll wish you had this set the first time you use it on a stubborn bolt. Made from durable steel with multiple sizes, it's perfect for both DIYers and pros. Number 22. AV Steel Floor Jack 2.5 ton. This heavy-duty floor jack lifts vehicles up to 2.5 tons, making tire changes and undercarriage work safe and easy. It's a must-have for anyone who works on cars at home. You'll wonder how you managed with just a flimsy jack before. Solid, stable, and easy to roll, it's a tool you can rely on every time. Number 23. Tonda Extended Lug Wrench. The Tonda Extended Lug Wrench gives you extra leverage, making it easier to loosen stubborn lug nuts. It's a total game changer when changing a flat. You'll wish you had it the last time you struggled with tight nuts on the roadside. Durable, compact, and easy to store, it's a tool that pays for itself in peace of mind. Number 24. Croak Adjustable Rolling Folding Car Creeper. This folding creeper lets you roll under your vehicle comfortably, then folds for compact storage when not in use. It's a must-have for garage work. You'll love how much easier it makes reaching under your car without straining your back. Sturdy, adjustable, and portable, it's designed for convenience and long-lasting use. Number 25. Wet 3/8 inch drive magnetic swivel spark plug removal tools. This swivel spark plug tool makes removing and installing plugs simple, even in tight, awkward spaces. It's a must-have for DIY tune-ups. You'll wish you had it sooner when you see how easily it grips and releases spark plugs. With a magnetic tip and flexible joint, it's both reliable and frustration-free. Number 26. Orion MotorTech 32PC Dual Brake Tools. This 32-piece brake tool kit covers both disc and drum brakes, giving you everything you need for servicing. It's a total game changer for brake jobs at home. You'll love the savings compared to shop repairs. Complete, organized, and built tough, it's perfect for mechanics who want all the right tools in one kit. Number 27. 4 Uncles 2-liter brake bleeder vacuum pump kit. This vacuum pump kit makes bleeding brakes quick and mess-free, pulling fluids smoothly while preventing air bubbles. It's a must-have for safe, efficient brake maintenance. You'll wish you used it sooner instead of struggling with manual methods. Durable and easy to operate, it's an affordable upgrade that delivers pro-level results. Number 28. Laberton Strap Wrench 2-piece multifunctional adjustable wrench tools. These strap wrenches grip irregular shapes like oil filters, pipes, or jars without damaging surfaces. They're a must-have for tricky jobs where regular wrenches just don't work. You'll love how versatile they are. With 2 sizes included, they're lightweight, durable, and endlessly useful in the garage or around the house. Number 29. Automotive Tire Repair Kit. This kit includes everything you need to repair punctures on the go, from plugs to tools and accessories. It's a must-have for emergencies. You'll wish you carried one the first time you're stranded with a flat. Compact, complete, and reliable, it's the kind of tool that belongs in every trunk. Number 30. GEVEELIFE 650 M Core 80 Feft LBS Brushless Impact Wrench. This brushless impact wrench delivers powerful torque for loosening lug nuts and tough bolts effortlessly. It's a total game changer for automotive work. You'll love how it makes stubborn fasteners simple to handle. Lightweight, cordless, and durable, it brings pro-level performance to your home garage. Number 31. B-Tool HW1130 8-piece petrol engine cylinder compression tester kit. This tester kit helps you check engine compression quickly and accurately, spotting potential issues before they turn serious. It's a must-have for diagnosing misfires or weak cylinders. You'll wish you had it sooner when tackling engine troubles at home. Complete with adapters and fittings, this 8-piece kit is versatile, durable, and perfect for both DIYers and pros. Number 32. Msuhettu Engine Camshaft Timing Toolkit. This camshaft timing toolkit makes setting or checking engine timing precise and reliable. It's a must-have for anyone working on major engine repairs. You'll love how it simplifies what's normally a complex, stressful job. Durable and well-organized, this kit is built to fit multiple models, making it a smart investment for the garage. Number 33. Orion MotorTech Gear Puller Set. This gear puller set gives you the leverage needed to remove gears, pulleys, and bearings without damage. It's a total game changer for tough jobs that usually require brute force. You'll wish you had it sooner when working on your drivetrain. Strong steel construction and multiple sizes make it versatile and dependable for countless repairs. Number 34. Vevor Transmission Jack. This transmission jack makes lifting and lowering transmissions safer and easier than ever. It's a must-have for garage projects that demand stability and control. You'll love how much smoother installation and removal become. Heavy-duty, adjustable, and easy to maneuver, this jack is built for serious automotive work. Number 35. Topdon R-Link J2534 Pass-Through Programmer. This advanced pass-through programmer connects your vehicle to diagnostic and programming software for pro-level updates. It's a must-have for tech-savvy car enthusiasts or shops. You'll wonder how you ever diagnosed complex issues without it. Compact, powerful, and compatible with multiple systems, it delivers dealership-level tools right at home. Number 36. Trivid Froll Air Impact Wrench. This air impact wrench delivers powerful torque to loosen even the toughest nuts and bolts. It's a must-have for anyone tired of struggling with stubborn fasteners. You'll wish you had it sooner for tire changes and suspension work. Lightweight yet durable, it's designed for heavy-duty performance in the garage. Number 37. Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester. The Astro AI Digital Multimeter measures voltage, current, and resistance with ease, making it perfect for diagnosing electrical issues. It's a total game changer for both beginners and pros. You'll love how it keeps you from guessing at wiring problems. Compact, accurate, and safe to use, it's one of the most useful tools in any garage. Number 38. OTC 5605 Deluxe Compression Tester Kit. This Deluxe Compression Tester Kit lets you quickly check cylinder pressure to evaluate engine health. It's a must-have for diagnosing internal issues before they become costly repairs. You'll love how easy it is to use. Packed with adapters and hoses, it's versatile and built for reliable results. Number 39. Chromi Fuel Pump and Vacuum Tester Gauge. This tester gauge helps you measure fuel pump pressure and vacuum levels, making troubleshooting easier. It's a must-have for anyone dealing with fuel delivery or vacuum-related problems. You'll wish you had it sooner for quick, clear diagnostics. Durable and accurate, it's a professional-grade tool at an affordable price. Number 40. Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit. This brake bleeder kit simplifies brake maintenance by letting you bleed brakes quickly and cleanly. It's a must-have for DIY brake jobs. You'll love how much time and mess it saves compared to old methods. Sturdy, easy to use, and complete with accessories, it's a garage essential for safer rides. Number 41. Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light with Storage Case. This professional timing light helps you fine-tune your engine's ignition timing with digital accuracy. It comes with a sturdy case for safe storage. It's a must-have for enthusiasts who want peak engine performance. You'll wish you had it sooner for smoother starts and better power. Bright, precise, and durable, it makes tuning quick and easy, even for beginners. Number 42. Orion MotorTech Gear Puller Set. This versatile gear puller set gives you the strength to remove pulleys, gears, and bearings without damage. It's a must-have for mechanics working on drivetrains or suspensions. You'll love how it saves time and avoids frustration. With multiple sizes and durable steel construction, it's reliable for countless automotive tasks. Number 43. Enoixova 19-piece Slide Hammer Puller Set. This slide hammer puller set provides everything needed for pulling dents, gears, or axles with precision. It's a must-have for bodywork and repair jobs. You'll wish you had it sooner when facing a stubborn part. Complete with 19 pieces, it's versatile, durable, and ready for pro-level use at home or in the shop. Number 44. TAPDC 4-gauge 20-feet jumper cables for car. These heavy-duty jumper cables give you 20 feet of reach and reliable 4-gauge thickness for quick starts. It's a total game changer for roadside emergencies. You'll love the peace of mind of having these in your trunk. Durable clamps and flexible cables make them easy to use even in cold weather. Number 45. Wheel X Mechanic Creeper 40 inches 3-in-1Z Seat. This 3-in-1 creeper converts from a rolling seat to a flat creeper, giving you comfort and flexibility in the garage. It's a must-have for long repair sessions. You'll wish you had it sooner for saving your back. Strong, adjustable, and able to hold up to 480 pounds, it's built tough for pros. Number 46. Sunco UFO LED High Bay Light. This UFO-style high bay light floods your garage or shop with bright, efficient LED lighting. It's a must-have for mechanics who need clear visibility. You'll love how it transforms dark workspaces. Energy efficient, long-lasting, and easy to mount, it's perfect for any workshop setup. Number 47. Limodot Quiet Air Compressor. This quiet air compressor delivers strong performance without the loud noise of traditional units. It's a must-have for powering tools or inflating tires in a home garage. You'll love how much quieter it runs. Compact, durable, and efficient, it's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Number 48. Amazon Basics Hex Key Allen Wrench. This hex key set includes multiple sizes for working on bikes, cars, and household projects. It's a must-have for anyone who wants reliable tools on hand. You'll wish you had it the last time you hunted for the right size. Durable steel and a simple design make it a timeless essential in every toolbox. Number 49. Klein Tools 3227 Extra Wide Adjustable Wrench. This extra-wide wrench grips larger nuts and bolts with ease while still being compact in size. It's a must-have for tight spaces where regular wrenches just won't work. You'll love how versatile it is. With Klein's durable build and smooth adjustment, it's a pro-grade tool at an affordable price. Number 50. Automotive Fuel Pressure Gauge Digital Fuel Pressure Tester Kit. This digital fuel pressure tester helps you check your fuel system with accurate, easy-to-read results. It's a total game changer for diagnosing engine performance issues. You'll wish you had it sooner when chasing fuel-related problems. Compact, precise, and reliable, it's a smart upgrade for any garage toolkit. And that wraps up our list of 50 cool automotive tools on Amazon. These budget-friendly gadgets can save you time, money, and a ton of hassle in the garage. If you found one you liked, check the links in the description, hit subscribe for more finds, and I'll see you in the next video.